On Windows, search System Information in Start panel and open it. Under BIOS mode, you can find the boot mode. If it says Legacy, your system has BIOS. If it says UEFI, well, it's UEFI. Another alternative is to use CMD in Windows. You can launch a command prompt window as administrator and look for the path of the bootloader by running this command. Here, in the Windows bootloader section, look for path. If the file extension /Windows System 32/winload is .exe, your system uses legacy BIOS. If the extension is .efi, your system uses UEFI. Another way to check UEFI or BIOS in Windows 10 is by checking the setup.act.log file. Open File Explorer and navigate to see Windows Panther. Open file setup.act.log and search for this string. You will find a couple of lines which will give you the information. The easiest way to find out if you are running UEFI or BIOS is to look for a folder /sys/firmware/EFI. The folder will be missing if your system is using BIOS. The other method is to install a package called EFI Boot Manager. On Debian and Ubuntu-based distributions, you can install the EFI Boot Manager package using this command. Once done, type this command. If your system supports UEFI, it will output different variables. If not, you will see a message saying EFI variables are not supported.